Hello, one of my friends at Active Arts. I hope you're keeping well. This is a little project that I thought you could do with some very simple things that you might have at home. Just a sheet of paper, a pencil and a CD or DVD. So you're going to do some patterns. If you've got coloured pencils, this will be good. You can do some colouring at the end of it, or you can just do it with a pencil or a pen. You're going to start folding your paper in half. And fold it in half again. Smooth down those creases there. And then you need to fold from the middle, where it's all folded up here, fold those two edges together so that you've got a nice point here. Everything's folded from that one point. So when you fold it out, you've got like a star pattern on your bit of paper. That's your starting point. Now take your CD, keep it this way up, not the shiny side up, keep it that side up, and when you put it down, put it on something soft so you don't risk damaging it. Hold it so that all of those little crease marks are right in the very middle of your CD, in that hole there. Hold it with one hand, and with your other hand you're going to draw around that circle, and then you'll draw all the way around the outside, all the way around. So you've now got two circles in the middle of your folded bit of paper. Make a dot in the middle here, and a dot where that circle crosses that line, and a dot where the circle crosses that line. All the way around, wherever you've got a fold where it touches that circle, make a dot. Now using your CD again, you're going to join those dots together that way round. So you've got that dot and that dot. You're drawing a curve to join them together. And again, next two dots, join them together. All the way round. Joining all of those dots together to get that lovely curve shape. So it looks a little bit like a flower petals around the edge of your circle. Now, if you take this dot, miss that dot and take that dot, you can join those together. You take this dot, miss out that dot and take that dot and join those together. Take this dot, miss out that dot, take this dot, join those together. And finally, take this dot, miss out that dot, and take this dot and join them together. So now you've got a very nice simple pattern here that you can fill with whatever you want to do. You could perhaps do a little flower in this shape here. You could draw a fish in this shape. Fish with a nice flowing tail. Give him a little eye. Another flower there, another flower here, and there's another space here, so draw another flower, and so on. So now you can either take your coloured pencils if you have them, or felt pens, and just colour that in. Or you could do some more detail if you want to. You can add what you like onto it. If you've got a favourite doodle that you do, you can add that to it. I like doing little swirly doodles, so I like doing swirls like that. So I'm going to put some of those into my design. So by the fish here, I'll do some little swirls. So in front of every fish and behind every fish, a little swirl. And on each point here, where the folds meet the circle, I'm going to do a leaf shape. That's quite a nice, easy shape to do. Now the leaf shape. So this is something that you can just keep on adding to. Anytime you want to do something a little bit creative, just add something else to your design. Try and have a go. All you need is a bit of paper, a pencil and a CD, and just try and have some fun with it. And I'll show you some examples now of other exciting shapes you can get just using the CD by doing lots of overlaying. So have fun, and hope I'll see you soon. Goodbye.